Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Tracfone flip phone is running low on minutes and you want to add more without dialing any activation number, the process is usually much easier than many people expect. Sometimes people prefer managing everything through account settings, while other times they simply want to skip phone menus and complete the process faster. Since Tracfone offers different ways to refill service without calling, knowing where to check can make adding minutes feel much smoother. The good part is that once everything is completed correctly, your Tracfone flip phone should update with new service without much waiting. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to add minutes to a Tracfone flip phone without dialing. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the Tracfone flip phone and make sure service information appears normally. Step 2. Open the Tracfone account on another device if you want to skip dialing methods. Step 3. Select Add Service options connected to the Tracfone flip phone carefully. Step 4. Choose the minutes plan for the Tracfone flip phone that fits your needs. Step 5. Confirm payment or redemption details linked with the Tracfone flip phone account. Step 6. Check the Tracfone flip phone again and confirm the new minutes appear successfully.